It is a portable non-contact IR thermometer offering precise temperature measurements up to 1022 Fahrenheit and 550 Celsius degrees. The set comes in a convenient box. All the necessary paperwork is included. The thermometer is equipped with an LCD display, 4 physical buttons, a laser and a sensor, a trigger, a battery door release and a battery slot. Additionally, the set contains fabric hook and loop fastener pipe probe and a K-type thermocouple. It is powered by 2 AA batteries, also included in the set.